Asserting that the situation in Manipur must be considered with priority, Rashtriya Swayam Seva Sangh, the RSS chief Mohan Bhagat, said that northeastern state has been awaiting peace for a year. The statement of Bhagat comes after Prime Minister Modi took charge as Prime Minister of the country for the third term. Bhagat said that it was the duty to prioritize and take note of it. Bhagwat was addressing the closing ceremony of RSS Workers' Development Class in Maharashtra, Nagpur. Bhagwat said Manipur is still burning in the fire of the sudden tension that rose there or that was made to rise there. It is the duty to prioritize and take note of it. He further said that the northeastern state has been witnessing ethnic violence since May 3 last year, following clashes during a rally organized by the All Tribal Student Unions ATSU to protest against the demand for the inclusion of the Meitei community in the scheduled tribe category. Meanwhile, the RSS chief also mentioned a violation of the code of conduct by various political parties during the Lok Sabha polls. He said that the mind and psyche of the people are different, hence it is possible to have similar opinions. But when people in the society decide to move together despite having different minds, then mutual consent is formed. The RSS chief stressed that it is important to follow decorum during the election.
अब 1 साल से मणिपुर शांति की राह देख रहा है। उसके पहले 10 साल शांत रहा। पुराना गन कल्चर समाप्त हो गया ऐसा लगा, और अचानक जो कलह वहां पर उपज गया या उपजाया गया, उसकी आग में अभी तक जल रहा है, त्राही त्राही कर रहा है। कौन उस पर ध्यान देगा? प्राथमिकता देके उसका विचार करना ये कर्तव्य है। और चुनाव प्रचार की या चुनाव में जो होता है उसकी बात ऐसी है, वास्तव में तो प्रजातंत्र की अनिवार्य आवश्यक प्रक्रिया है और उसमें 2 पक्ष रहते हैं, इसलिए स्पर्धा रहती है तो दूसरे को पीछे करने का, स्वयं को आगे बढ़ाने का काम होता ही है, होना ही चाहिए। परंतु उसमें भी एक मर्यादा है, असत्य का उपयोग नहीं करना। चुने क्यों जा रहे लोग संसद में जाएंगे, बैठकर अपने देश को चलाएंगे, सहमति बनाकर चलाएंगे। हमारे यहाँ तो परंपरा सहमति बनाकर चलने की है। समानो मंत्र समिति समानी समानम मनस सह चित्तमेशाम। इस सह चित्त पर विनोबा भावे जी की टिप्पणी है। वो कहते हैं कि ऋग्वेदकारों को मानवीय मन का कितना ज्ञान था ये समझ में आता है। सब जगह उन्होंने कहा है समानो मंत्र समिति समानी समानम मना, लेकिन चित्त के बारे में सम नहीं कहा, क्योंकि प्रत्येक व्यक्ति का चित्त मानस अलग अलग होता ही है और इसलिए 100% मतों का मिलान होना संभव नहीं है। लेकिन जब समाज में लोग अपना चित्त अलग अलग होने के बाद भी हमको साथ ही चलना है ऐसा निश्चय करते हैं तो सहचित्त बन जाता। वास्तव में संसद क्यों है और उसमें 2 पक्ष क्यों है? इसलिए है कि दोनों पहलू उजागर हो। किसी भी सिक्के के 2 पहलू रहते हैं, ऐसे किसी भी प्रश्न के 2 पहलू रहते हैं। एक पक्ष एक पहलू का विचार करता है तो दूसरे पक्ष ने दूसरा पहलू उजागर करना है ताकि जो होना है वो पूर्णतः ठीक हो, सहमति बने। इसलिए संसद बनती है, लेकिन ऐसी सहमति बनना स्पर्धा करके आए लोगों में थोड़ा कठिन भी रहता है और इसलिए हम बहुमति का आसरा लें। उसके लिए स्पर्धा चलती है। ये स्पर्धा है, कोई आपस का युद्ध तो है नहीं। जिस प्रकार ये बातें हुई, जिस प्रकार एक दूसरे को लताड़ना हुआ, जिस प्रकार प्रचार के दौरान हमारे करने से समाज में मनमुटाव बढ़ेगा, 2 गठ बटेंगे, आपस में शंका संशय उत्पन्न होगा, इसका भी ख्याल नहीं रखा गया और विनाकारण संघ जैसे संगठनों को भी उसमें खींचा गया। टेक्नोलॉजी का सहारा करके असत्य बातें परोसी गई, नितांत असत्य। क्या शास्त्र का, विज्ञान का, विद्या का ये उपयोग है? सज्जन विद्या का ये उपयोग नहीं करते। विद्या विवादाय ये खलस्य ऐसा कहा है, विद्या विवादाय धनम मदाय शक्ति परेशान परपीडनाय खलस्य साधो विपरीतमेतत् ज्ञानाय दानाय च रक्षणाय। विद्या का उपयोग प्रबोधन करने के होता है।
Commenting on the RSS chief's statement, NCP MP Supriya Sule said that his statement on the issue is very much welcomed because Manipur is part of India. This is something we have been demanding, she stated. She further stated that INDIA alliance has been demanding for a long time that to have a discussion on the matter. She stated, let's give confidence to Manipur and everything doesn't get solved with a gun, she added.
Well, I welcome his statement from the bottom of my heart because Manipur is a part of India. It's an integral part of India. And when we see our people suffering so much, it is extraordinarily disturbing for all of us. And this is something we have been asking. The India Alliance has been asking for the longest time that let's have a discussion, let's form a good committee with all party, let's visit, let's give Manipur the confidence. Everything doesn't get solved with a gun. You need love also with it, and compassion and empathy.
It's a duty to prioritize the issue. We also added.
Absolutely. I thank Mr. Bhagwat because he has been so gracious. This is something the India Alliance has been asking for last over 18 months.
Ma'am, being an opposition leader, what is your comment about the portfolio allocation that happened yesterday?
Well, that's an internal issue of their party.
NDA partners, the portfolio, the NDA partners.
Well, I'm not surprised because they say, I heard Devendraji say that this is a formula, but the formula seems to be very selective. And I'm not surprised because I've seen BJP work in the last 10 years with their allies very closely. I see most of their allies are most of the time little saddened or unhappy. So I'm not surprised by this at all.
Shiv Sena led by Eknath Shinde, expressed his displeasure over this allocations and the numbers they got. What is your comment?
Well, it's clearly an integral issue or internal issue of their allies. But it's obvious that if they feel there is injustice because somebody who has 5 MPs gets a cabinet and somebody who has 7 doesn't get a cabinet. So I don't blame, and I understand because Mr. Srirang Bharane has been a Sansad Ratna. I have worked very closely with him in Parliament. See, elections come and go, but when we work together in Parliament, we have to be serious about policy making. Tu main to chalti rahegi rajniti mein. But we have to work for the nation in good policy making. And Srirang Bharane ji and I have worked very closely on good policies in the last 10 years. So I purely respect and I understand his pain. Injustice has been done to him.
Thank you so much.